Welcome, here I've got REALME GT Master Edition, and let me show you how to turn on and off device watermark in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button to open camera settings. Now at the first place we have watermarks option, so let's pick it, and here at the first position we have phone model, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need. Let me keep it turned on. Let's move back to camera to take a photo to see how device watermark looks like. And now let's go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. This is my picture with watermark at the center at the bottom, so we have REALME GT Master. And of course, when we don't need it, we have to move back to camera, then to right corner settings, pick watermarks and turn it off here from the right with phone model. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.